It's a 2015 Cadillac ATS sedan.
Blending power, response, and expression into an extraordinary sports sedan.
Features include Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, dual zone climate control, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, aluminum wheels, automatic transmission, sport suspension, Cadillac Q external memory control, leather bucket seats, rear-wheel drive, ultrasonic park assist, and inline 4-cylinder engine. Edmunds.com points out the balance the ATS exhibits comes via a 50-50 weight distribution and well-tuned standard FE2 suspension, including Cadillac's first ever 5-link independent rear setup. Cadillac, a luxury maverick. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.